Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Ready to make changes to your GoDaddy websites? In this video, we will guide you throughout the steps to edit your site using GoDaddy's website builder. Let's dive in and learn how to update your content, images, and more to keep your site looking fresh and engaging. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, first thing first is to go ahead and open GoDaddy.com, as you can see right here. So simply click on the first link and you will be able to go to this website. Second of all, you will need to connect to their own website. So to do so, you have to get to connect. So here simply just click on this thing. Let me just change the language real quick. So we can go here, I guess, in the bottom somewhere, and we will be able to change the language. So here we go. Let's change it for English, United States, and there we go. This is perfect. So yeah, here, as we said, we simply have to go to sign in and sign in with our account. You can simply just go here, and without going throughout this sign up, you simply have to go to sign in, and you will be able to sign in using Google account, which will directly sign you in even if you don't have previously any account. Now, as you can see guys, here in this website I have here a domain name, but this is not really a website. So how can we edit it? So first of all guys, click on manage, as you can see here. Then you will be able in this manage area to find this domain name, and you will find every single criteria that you might need. So here, as you can see, you will find in this left menu, you will find here domain and website. So make sure to click on websites, and here create a website with no tech skills required. So let's click here to start for free, and as you will notice, they are going to keep asking us a couple of questions, so let's go through them. What are some features your website needs? Sell with an online store, book appointments, accept online bill payments or donations, or something else. I'm going with something else here. Alright, what kind of website would you like? Let's say life coach, for example, and then let's click here on continue, and here what should we call your website? So here, just give it a name. I'm just gonna name it tutorial GoDaddy website, and now what I'm gonna do is to click on continue again, and now the website will will be in the setup process, and it will be created for us within few seconds. As you can see, this is the website. Now here, what sections would you like on your website? So here are every single different kind of sections. You can click here on this icon so you can find all the different sections and how they look like. So for me, first of all, I would like to have, for example, so we are a life coach, so of course we need about. So there is about us, there is an online appointment so people can appoint with us, reviews, contact, social links, and subscribe. We don't need to really subscribe, that will be it. So continue to my site, and after that the website should be good to go. Now how we can edit the site and change anything within it? So I'm just gonna click here, click on X, and as you can see, this is a drag and drop websites builder. So you don't really have to get any experience to actually start using that service. So you don't really have to do any programming, any coding, anything else. You will be only needed to be clicking on buttons. So first of all, for example, I would like to add a section. Simply click here, and you will be able to search for any kind of section, and you will literally find template for the specific section that you are looking for. In case, let's say you would like to change something within a section that you have added. For example, here the hours that I'm working, this is wrong. I don't work in these hours. So simply hover, click on it, and you will find on the right here all the details about this section that you hovered and everything that you would need to change. For example, here Thursday we don't work, so closed, let's change it to that. Here, for example, on Wednesday we are going to work from 9 till 12 a.m. or something like that. I mean, yeah, there is a lot of things that you can change. So this is something that you could put as an idea in your brain. That is, you could literally change anything. Contact us, we can change it to be about us, so we can change it to anything. Here in this fields, we can also change the field name. So for example, here we could write change it to write text here, and just like that we have here changed the actual field name. We can also have an input type, so multi-line, phone number, single line text, make this field required or not. So there is a lot of details that are actually interrupting within this process. Here the send button, we can even change the field and the send button. Here we have the attach files, so we can click here and literally remove the attach file thing from it. We can allow it again if we would like to. We can remove it, and here for the map, for example, we can literally add an address and it will add the exact address and the exact location right here on the map. So these are some of the most useful tools that you will face on GoDaddy. Easy to make and free to use platform. It is of course paid, since you are going to pay for the domain, but for the website it comes for free. All these things are going to be free for you, and once you feel like you're done and edited everything, you simply have to save it. To save that, you simply click here on publish, choose where to publish it. There is three ways: either on the store name, or basically the domain name that you own on GoDaddy, or to get a new domain where you can simply connect that new domain to that website, or simply use a free GoDaddy URL, which will be something.godaddy.site.com or something like that, as you can see right here. So tutorial GoDaddy website.godaddy.sites.com, then click on save and publish, and the website will be published in couple seconds. So it is very easy, guys, to edit anything on your GoDaddy website. It is just a matter of using it, getting experience, getting confident with it, and getting the actually feeling when you are trying to build your website. Having an idea before you create a website or edit it is actually going to boost you a lot during this process of making your website and editing it with GoDaddy. So do not be afraid of touching anything. You can always go back and edit it and go to the original version. So always try, for example, since this tool is free, you can literally just try and do a couple of websites before you work on your main website, so you can get the experience, get the knowledge that you will need, and then you can go and give it an attack and start working on your own website. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe to our channel. If you do have any more questions, make sure to leave them down below in the comment section. We'll try to cover all of your problems and give you the solution. So thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.